Oh, okay. Yep. So, hello and welcome. Today we'll show you how to make any, well, in this case, generate texture into a texture PNG thing. So I made a wonderful texture, nothing special, and I will show you now how to make that into a picture. So, first duplicate this, move it down a bit, so we have to, we're going to duplicate this one and delete everything. And what we're going to need is a wonderful emission. You're going to plug this into the surface and press Ctrl T for the node wrangler if you don't have it, enabled. Enable that in the settings, and add over the test. So let's make a new wonderful texture. Let's make everything back. So we make new. We're gonna new. We call this brick underscore color, whatever you want, and we're going to press OK. So we now have wonderful texture here, or we created one, but there's nothing in it. So we're going to use there's my thingy. There's my thingy, and put this in here, brick color. We're gonna put our wonderful UV in so we actually can see that shit. So there we go. It's black right now. Wow. So let's go into cycles because we can only do it in cycle. You're going to select the top one, and then hold shift, select the bottom one. Then we go into bake, and yeah, we're going to make in this case the texture. We're going to make combined. We're going to disable the lightning because we don't want any light influencing this shit. Very important. We're going to activate selected to archive because in this case it's normally on 0. You have to say, hey, how far is that thing away? It's, let's say, probably a meter away, so it's going to make everything that's in a meter of that thing. So we're going to make this and wait. And there we have it. Wonderful thing. If you want something else, you can choose it. In this case, we have the normal, so we're just going to make the normal as well. So let's go. There you go. Boom. You have the normal as well. And well, hope you like it. And bye.